$472 on the account, $1,116. Well, so it's done. We have $1,936 on the account. Hello guys, and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. And for those who don't know me, my name is Michael, trader, and I am a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I would like to tell you how to make millions on this market. And if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. So what do we have for today? First of all, we are trading on one of the best trading platforms ever, named Pocket Option. First of all, I would like to choose indicators for today's trading session. First one will be Bollinger Bands together with Parabolic SAR and Vortex oscillator. Okay, let's start our trading session for today. First of all, we are trading the Euro GPI currency pair. Let's change our investment from 150. Let's remain 150 bucks. And let's try to open. Let me think. Let's try to open buy position here. Yes. First of all, because we have already broken through the upper edge of the Bollinger Bands indicator. Secondly, according to the Parabolic SAR indicator, we're currently in the buy zone, and according to the Vortex, we're also in the buy zone, and moreover, we have enough space for the current growth. So that's why, of course, we have opened buy position in this trade, investing our 150 bucks. Now let's just wait and see the result of this trade. So the first trade is closed with profit, and we have around $288 on the account. Let's proceed further. So now we have opened Audi CAD. According to this chart and Vortex, we are currently in the sell zone, so that's why let's open sell position, investing our $200. Moreover, according to the Parabolic SAR, we are also in the sell zone, and now we are already receiving the pullback reaction from the upper edge of the Bollinger Bands channel. So that's why everything is just telling us to sell this asset, and we have already done this. Well, so one more trade is closed with profit, and we have around $472 on the account. This is very nice. Let's proceed further. Okay, let's check out the CHF. So first of all, we have changed our investment to $350. Let me open buy position here. We have already done this. So as you can see, the current candle pattern looks like bullish flag. Bullish flag is a candle pattern for the continuation of the current growth. So that's why everything looks really evident for us to buy this asset, and we have already done this. Moreover, this candle pattern also looks like the bullish cup in hand, and this is also signal for us to buy this asset because this is a bullish candle structure. By the way, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my private TG right now, because very soon it will become closed for everyone. You just have a few days left to do this. Join it, subscribe, link you can find in the description to this video. And yeah, in my Telegram channel you will find best trading signals, analytics, educational materials, and much more stuff that will help you to become a professional and experienced trader. And if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time, join me right now and be with me. Link in the description. Okay, while I was talking, the previous trade was closed with profit. Now we're opening sell position, because as you can see, according to the Parabolic SAR, we are now in the sell zone. We have already broken through the middle line of the Bollinger Bands channel, and now price is going to hit the bottom line of this channel. So let's don't waste time. Let's just observe what we can do here. The sell position has been already opened. Now we're just waiting for the time to run out and see what will we get from here. So it's done. We have $1,116 on the account, and we are ready to move forward. Let me check CHF GPI. Okay, so let's change our investment to $500. Now we are hitting the upper edge of the Bollinger Bands channel. And from here, we're highly likely to receive the pullback reaction. So that's why I have open sell position here, because as you can see, upper edge of the Bollinger Bands here acts like same like resistance line zone, so that's why we have open sell position here. Well, so it's done. We have $1,576 on the account. This trade was also closed with profit, and now we still have some time for the last trade for today. Let me check USD INR. Okay, so here the price has broken through the upper edge of the Bollinger Bands channel, but as you can see, we're growing not so nicely. Let's write open sell position, because I expect this to be just a false breakout from the channel, and I expect price to get back under the resistance line zone once again and get back to the channel. So that's why we have open sell position here and wasting our $500. Well, it's done. We have $1,936 on the account, and this looks really awesome. Just look at this, my friends. We have multiplied our balance like 3 or even 4 times more just within several minutes. So let's don't waste your time. Join my Telegram channel right now. The link for it will expire soon, and you will not have an access to it. No one, because I will close it. So that's why, my friends, join right now. You still have time for this. Link in the description. See you all, and bye-bye.